Hi my friends and welcome to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'll show us on how we can use the Applovin banner and interstitial ads in our sketchware project. So please know that this is the latest version. I'll drop the link on how we can get the latest sketchware pro. So I have enabled this library and I've added these three libraries. Please make sure they are also added in your project. These three libraries, you can see them. So the next thing we do is we add these permissions. So after adding these permissions, in our layout, added button to show interstitial and to show banner. So our banner view must be in linear layout. So this will be where our banner ads for Applovin will show. So I created two more blocks to show banner and interstitial. Then we add our necessary imports. So now in our onCreate, I added the more block. So I added these two more blocks to show the interstitial and to show the banner. So as you can see, we put our add unit here and put our add unit here. So this code should only be added in the onCreate of our project. With that being added, let's come over here. So we replace this with our SDK key. You can get it from your account. Then we replace this with your app package name. So that is all. So now when our button is clicked, when our interstitial is ready to show ad, it will show the ad. That is all. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thanks once more. Your support means a lot.